Hi, today I want to show you my simple musical instrument made out of jars. It's very easy to do, it's very simple and a very nice project for beginners. Of course, to make the musical instrument, you need some jars. And the jar without modification, it sounds not very good. So you have to make a little modification on the lid of the jar. You have to drill a hole in the center of the lid. Then you have to put a bolt in the hole. And that's it. That's the simple modification. To achieve different tones, you have to put different bolts. The longer bolts, they make lower tones. And the shorter ones, they make higher tones. Also, you can change a little bit the tone by using a pencil. Just with the back side, press here on the edge of the lid, and this will stretch the center of the lid, and that will make higher tones. One more thing about this musical instrument. When you play, you have to hold it in your hands or you have to put it on something soft. This is because if you put it here on the table, the energy from the jars goes directly to the table and they lose their energy. That means the sounds are much more shorter. If you want longer sounds, you have to hold the instrument or you have to put it on something soft. That was the video for today. I hope you will like this musical instrument. And if you want to support my future ideas and projects, you can do it in Patreon. I will put a link in the description. Thank you very much.